The Honda CD125 is a classic commuter motorcycle known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and ease of maintenance. It has been a popular choice among riders who need a practical and economical two-wheeler for daily use. The CD125 features a 124cc, air-cooled, 4-stroke, twin-cylinder engine that delivers a smooth and stable ride. Its design is simple yet functional, making it a durable machine capable of handling urban commuting as well as light touring. One of the key advantages of the Honda CD125 is its fuel efficiency. The engine is tuned for economy rather than performance, making it ideal for riders looking for low running costs. The bike's moderate power output ensures smooth acceleration and a comfortable cruising experience, especially on city roads. The twin-cylinder setup provides a refined engine feel with reduced vibrations compared to single-cylinder alternatives. The chassis of the CD125 is built to be sturdy and lightweight, offering good handling and maneuverability. Its suspension system, which consists of telescopic forks at the front and dual shock absorbers at the rear, provides a balanced ride quality. The seating position is upright and comfortable, making it suitable for long hours of riding without excessive strain on the rider. The fuel tank capacity allows for extended travel without frequent refueling stops, further enhancing its practicality. In terms of design, the Honda CD125 maintains a classic and understated aesthetic. It features a round headlamp, simple side panels, and a comfortable, well-padded seat. The instrument cluster is basic, but provides essential information, such as speed, fuel level, and odometer readings. The spoke wheels add to its vintage appeal, while also ensuring durability on different types of road surfaces. The braking system typically consists of drum brakes on both the front and rear wheels, which, while not as advanced as modern disc brakes, provide adequate stopping power for its intended use. The overall build quality of the bike is solid, reflecting Honda's reputation for producing long-lasting and dependable motorcycles. Due to its simplicity and easy maintenance, the CD125 is a favorite among riders in various regions, especially where robust and fuel-efficient motorcycles are valued. Spare parts are widely available, and the engine's durability ensures that the bike can last for decades with proper care. The Honda CD125 remains an excellent choice for riders seeking a classic, no-nonsense motorcycle that excels in reliability, economy, and comfort.